You want a nice ICE trailers with a bunk models and a slide out. This is what is behind me. It's a brand new 2026 Wildwood 178 ICE. Let's go see the ICE trailers, the 178, because it's amazing what they did inside. From the outside, we have the Wildwood FSX 178 ICE. You have 3 big pieces of metal in the front. This is like the diamond plate, and then this is solid metal. Then you have a beautiful power awning with the bright LED light, as you see in the camera. We have pass-through storage on this side, both sides, from this side and as well the other side. And then 2-step to get in. But here's the trick. People, they say, wait a minute, you said there's 2 refrigerators? Yes, there's 2 refrigerators in this unit. There's a fridge here underneath one of the bunk. And then you have a huge storage here, what you could bring. You bring your own barbecues, you do whatever you want. There's a big room for you, and then there's a big LP connect right there. 4 stabilizer jack, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. And in the back of the unit, as usual, Wildwood, they give us a spare tire and a spare tires, and backup camera prep, ladder expandable prep, 2-inch receivers, and here's your 30 amp connections. City water connection. That's where you hook up the black and the gray and the sewage. And then this is the dinette slide out, as you see, beautiful. And other side of the storage, you could access it from both sides. Let's go inside because I'm really anxious to see what's at 178 ICE. Ooh, ICE. What a bright, nice ICE. It is ICE. Now, this is a slick unit for many reasons. The dinette speaks for itself. So they give you a dinette on a slide out, but they extend the width of the dinette bench. Why? So I could sit easy for big people, because some dinettes, when they put on the slide, barely you could sit on it. So I am one person here, another big person, easy. I could put 3 kids and 2 parents, mom and dad there. I could sit, 4 to 5 people. Then I like about this big eating tables with a nice window, and this is the location where you put a TV. And the beauty of why they put this way, because the people from the bunk area, they could see it. The people from the big bed in the front, they could see it. The people from the dinette, they could eat and watch a movie. And people standing in the kitchen, they could see. So it's a smart idea by putting the TV on this wall on the dinette. That's smart, that's slick. I like it. And why? In return, a lot of the manufacturers, they give you TV here, TV there. It's very hard to see. But in return, they give you this big, beautiful window. Now, I know you're gonna see trailers right now, because that's where we are in the RV, best RV in Torlock. But imagine you are sitting by the oceans. So you have a beautiful ocean view, big view window, more lights. In return, they have the TV on the dinette slide out, where everybody could see the TV with no problem. Now, another thing I like about the Wildwood, they always give me full storage, and they ask me, what's this piece here sitting? This piece plus those 2 pieces, they make the bed. So I just want to give you an idea. Those 2 pieces plus this and make a bed. So it come with the unit, don't worry. It make actually big bed for you. And big table. And also storage underneath. So this talk about the dinette and the big TV in the front. Sorry, on the slide out. Now, this bed, oh, good mattress. Love it. Nice foam mattress. Sleep 2 people easy. Place for hanging, like if you want to hang clothes. They give you all kind of stuff in case if you decide. If you want to hang clothes more and you have a lot of hanger while you're traveling, you could put them here. When you park, you could remove them, but at least they give it to you. Again, you don't have to use it. Nice reading light, voila. And while I'm laying down on my bed, I could watch the movie. So that's a smart move from them on the 178 ICE. This floor plan is going to do good for us. In the top of that, a lot of storage. Look how deep it is. And then you have doors and light, and you could see what's going on. This is this is not a shelf. You put it in for a USB plug in 110, but you could see 3 doors for socks, underwears, and so on. Now, talk about the dinette. Talk about the big bed. There's a plug here. They put the shelf. This is a smart move, because some people, they say, well, I have a CPAP machine. When I lay down, where I'm gonna put it in, you could put it in that shelf, and there's plug it in. You could plug it in. You could sleep this way, or you could sleep that way, whatever, which route you want. Me personally, I will sleep that way so I could watch the TV when I go to bed. Kitchen, I got everything I need in the kitchen. Nice shelving with LED light and a place for, ooh, trash can. Come with it. I was going place for trash can. Come with a trash can, and more storage here underneath, 2-burner range. And then this is a microwave as well. Yes, microwave. And fridge, the 10.7 cubic for refrigerators, 12 volt, no worries, you have solar. And then you have closets or pantry, and then you have double over double. Look how big the beds on the ICE. I like this bed mattress. Each one has this has window, no window here, and then this is half storage. Look how deep the storage from inside. Now, people, they don't realize this bunk, I could raise it up and I could store as much as I want things here. So that's another thing. I could put a big bins full with toys, books, game board, and you name it. In the bathroom, I love this mirror. They always give us that oval mirrors with a nice sink. Storage 110 and toilet, no issue. Let me test. Perfect. And then you have nice shower with, and there's a switch. Voila. Folks, and by the way, this is the air conditioner. Come to Best RV, grab this unit because I got you a special price. 178 ICE. No one will match our prices. Let's make it happen. Coming in.